Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Experience stunning clarity with our 5-inch HD 1080p monitor that brings every detail to life, ensuring true colors in both bright daylight and low light conditions. Solar-powered wireless backup camera gives you confidence during reversing and parallel parking by capturing crisp, lifelike images. Charge effortlessly using the built-in solar panel or USB in darker settings. A single charge lasts 3 to 4 months. An energy-saving mode automatically shuts off the display after brief inactivity, yet reactivates instantly with a button press. Installation is a breeze, no wiring, drilling, or car light connections required. Mount it conveniently above or below your license plate on any vehicle, from trucks to sedans. Built to withstand all weather, its IP69 waterproof design, sealed PCB, and durable adhesive ensure fog-free performance even in heavy rain. Upgrade your safety with wider viewing angles and customizable display settings. Introducing the Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam, your ultimate co-pilot on the road. This innovative device records simultaneously from both front and rear cameras, with the front capturing brilliant 4K footage through a 150-degree ultra-wide lens, and the rear delivering crisp 1080p video with a 140-degree field of view. Thanks to its Sony Starvis 2 sensor and bright f1.5 f1.8 apertures, you'll enjoy vivid, detailed images in every lighting condition. Stay effortlessly connected via dual-band Wi-Fi, enabling instant downloads at speeds up to 20 megabytes per sec through the Rove app. Plus, manage settings and firmware updates over the air. Built-in GPS overlays real-time speed, routes, and location data onto your recordings, while advanced features like motion detection, G-sensor emergency locking, and a customizable parking mode ensure every moment is securely captured. With a complimentary 128GB microSD card, the Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam delivers unmatched clarity and peace of mind for every drive. Revolutionize your drive with our cutting-edge head-up display system, expertly engineered to bring critical driving data right to your windshield. With this smart gadget, you stay informed without ever taking your eyes off the road, monitoring real-time speed, engine RPM, water temperature, battery voltage, mileage, and more. Enjoy a dynamic display that offers various operating interfaces and vibrant colors, adding both a touch of style and a high-tech edge to your vehicle. The nanotechnology high-definition projector minimizes glare and enhances clarity, while automatic and manual brightness adjustments ensure optimal visibility in any lighting. Additional features include ambient decorative lighting, engine RPM alerts, fault code notifications, and fatigue driving alarms, all activated by built-in sensors. Compatible with most vehicles via OBD2 mode or GPS mode, this CE, FCC, and RoHS certified device guarantees superior performance. Transform your mobile experience with our state-of-the-art phone booster antenna. Designed for a single mobile device and a cradle mount, it ensures fewer dropped calls, crystal clear voice quality, blazing fast mobile internet, and improved streaming performance. Supporting the latest 5G technology, installation is a breeze. Simply follow the guided instructions on our dedicated app for a tool-free setup. The WeBoost Cell Signal Booster is fully compatible with all major US carriers. FCC approved and proudly crafted in the USA, it features a cradle-style inside antenna, a magnetic outside antenna, and a space-saving booster that adjusts to accommodate devices ranging from 5.1 to 7.5 inches. Plus, commitment to data security and customer satisfaction is backed by expert support available via app, chat, phone, or email. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. For enhanced safety and superior performance, ensure your ride is outfitted with precision-engineered components. Always verify your vehicle compatibility in the product description before purchasing, or feel free to contact customer service for assistance. Each set is equipped with a reliable thread locker for secure fastening and features a precise 6x5.5 wheel and vehicle PCD match, a 106mm hub bore, and a 1.5-inch spacer thickness, with an M12 by 1.5 stud nut thread pitch and a recommended torque of 72 to 80 lbs for all 4 pieces. Our wheel-centric lip design ensures a perfect, vibration-free fit over your hub. Crafted from genuine 6061 T6 billet aluminum and reinforced with heat-treated hardened 10.9 grade geomet bolts, Solution is not only stronger and lighter than standard cast or universal billet options, but also boasts an anodized finish for extra corrosion resistance, providing you with a secure and enduring upgrade for aggressive driving. Discover the ultimate car cleaning experience with the Wantolf Clay Bar and Lubber Synthetic Lubricant Kit, a must-have gift for every car enthusiast. This comprehensive kit includes 4 premium clay bars, 10 effervescent lubricant tablets, a handy spray bottle, and a microfiber cleaning towel, all designed to transform your detailing routine. Crafted from ultra-fine fiber and uniquely refined clay material, our clay bars effortlessly restore your car's paint to a glass smooth finish without scratching. Their powerful cleaning ability effectively removes natural oxidation, iron particles, acid rain, tree sap, and more, making waxing and polishing a breeze. Versatile enough for use on painted surfaces, Kit ensures superior performance on any part of your vehicle. For optimal results, simply dissolve 1 effervescent tablet in water using the spray bottle to create a high-quality lubricant that helps the clay glide smoothly while extending its lifespan. Step into a world of superior brightness with D1S HID bulb, boasting a stunning 6000 K diamond white output that's 150% brighter than standard options, ensuring an exceptional downward reflection. Meticulously crafted and rigorously inspected to meet the highest production standards, this xenon headlight bulb offers a robust 3,000-hour lifespan for long-lasting, reliable illumination. Be sure to double-check your vehicle's headlight assembly before installing. This bulb is specifically designed for HID systems and is not compatible with halogen setups. With 40% more light concentration, it produces a super-focused, brilliant beam that greatly enhances your visibility. For optimal performance and to prevent any oily residue from affecting brightness or causing premature burnout, please handle the bulb with cotton gloves during installation. Towing mirrors with black housing are designed to redefine your driving experience. With manual adjustment, telescoping, and folding capabilities, these mirrors are versatile enough to serve as an excellent replacement even if their functions differ slightly from your car's original setup, as long as the model is suitable. Crafted using a unique manufacturing process, our mirror lenses offer exceptional clarity and a broader field of vision, ensuring a comfortable and safe drive every time. Each mirror is manufactured to factory OE standards, providing an exact match in size and operational feel, with a custom design that guarantees a perfect fit and minimizes vibration even at high speeds. When you choose product, you're investing in high-quality, durable construction that has been rigorously inspected. And should you have any questions or need assistance, professional customer service team is always ready to help. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Elevate your driving experience with cutting-edge combo beam design. The top and bottom rows deliver a precise 15-degree spot beam, projecting intense, far-reaching light, while the central row unleashes a wide 170-degree flood beam to illuminate a broader area. This triple-row LED configuration produces an impressive 7,800 nm output, ensuring excellent visibility and eliminating dark spots on the road. Installation is a breeze. Each light pod comes with a paper template that details exact hole sizes and mounting positions, so you only need to mark, cut, drill, and seal the fixture with screws. Built with a durable aluminum profile and strategically spaced grooved fins, the design promotes rapid heat dissipation and guarantees long-lasting performance under harsh conditions with an IP68 waterproof rating. Perfectly flush-mounted on rear bumpers or grills, these versatile LED pods can also serve as backups, reverse lights, or fog lights. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Featuring both MS CAN and HS CAN toggle switches, this OBD2 interface unlocks hidden modules and lets you troubleshoot unwanted factory settings with unprecedented speed and ease. Say goodbye to dealer visits and costly module activations or deactivations. Simply edit and change settings yourself. Thanks to its reliable USB cable connection and upgraded V1.5 hardware, it delivers a more stable performance than wireless options, achieving pro-level check engine light programming. Supporting all OBD2 protocols, this scanner functions as a standard OBDIE EOBD/CAN code reader on most vehicles. Explore an array of advanced features, all ready to be applied to your vehicle for a customized driving experience. Vehicles protection and restore its value with black, a ceramic polymer hybrid designed to shield against harsh environmental elements. Its advanced formulation offers maximum UV protection, ozone blocking, salt resistance, and a ceramic dry seal defense that prevents fading, cracking, and deterioration. Black creates a robust barrier on auto trim, tires, plastic, vinyl, tonneau covers, and more, surpassing OEM standards by restoring the original structure while incorporating silica quartz, zinc, titanium nano-oxides, and other key elements for thermal stability. Versatile enough to serve as a base coat for enhanced finishes with additional layers of glaze or TN, Black not only rejuvenates surfaces but also ensures long-lasting, semi-permanent protection. Experience sustainable, safe care for your tires, plastic trim, and beyond, as Renew Protect further boosts grip and eliminates the need for harsh cleaning agents, even under a 3400 psi wash.